Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a blog website using Tabnine AI. First of all, you have to install Tabnine extension. So let's go to the extension in the Visual Studio Code. So here you have to actually search for the Tabnine. Here you can see we have now Tabnine here, and I already installed it. When you actually install it, it will be actually shown here, and you have to actually sign up at first. And when the sign up will complete, then just go for the sign in option and then sign in to your account. And after that, you can actually use Tabnine Basic. And I think with Tabnine Basic, you can actually create a full website. So let's go close all of it. And now let's go to the file. And here I have added a folder that called AI blog site. And I have here created some file. Here you can see about file, then blog, then contact, then index, then post. So basically we're going to create HTML and CSS website, and that will be a blog website. And after that, you can actually implement it in the PHP also, because you just have to actually change it, this extension, okay? And you can implement it in a Laravel also, okay? So now, first of all, we have about .html here. You can see this is the main file, index.html. So what we need here is, let's say I want here a header and a footer, and inside it we want to show all the posts, let's say, okay? So we need a let's say we need a blog section here, and here at the top we will show we need a navigation bar, okay, with links to, we'll say, about.html. That's about.html, then comma, then we'll use here let's say blog.html, and we have contact.html, and we have here post.html, okay? And after that we need a section to show all the post, okay, with the title, date, and short, okay? So let's go with this. They are suggesting us some text, so we'll press tab here, okay? And now here we want to enter, and now it will actually complete the task for us. We'll actually go with the header symmetric tag, and we'll press tab here, and we'll hit enter, and it will actually suggest us a nav bar. Here you can see, now we'll press tab because we like this. And here you can see we have here about, blog, contact, and post. We need index also, right? Yes, we want index also. Yes, index. Now everything is done here for the nav, and what we need is we have say here that, so basically we give a prompt here, right? And it's actually not working perfectly, but we have to actually pick this AI, that what we need after this. So we need at first nav here, you can see, because we need to actually add all the pages links, right? And after that we need a section to show all the post. So let's close this header and then go for the main, and here you can see it's suggesting us now the section, and we'll press tab, and here you can see it's showing us also the footer. Here you can see now our our prompt is done. Here you can see. Now let's just remove this prompt, or maybe you can actually comment out it, and we know if you want to comment out something in HTML, what you have to do. Here you can see it also suggesting it. So let's just press tab here, and here also we need to press tab, okay, to complete this. Okay, so now we have comment out it. Now what we need is, let's check how it looks like. So we have here a sidebar show preview. If you want this option, what you have to do, you have to go for the extension, and here you have to go for the live preview. We have option here, live preview. Just install it, then you will find this option, this icon, search icon option, okay? So click here. Here you will find the website, but we are not going to open it from here. We are going to go for the live server. So if you need a live server, you can actually type here live server, and here we go. We have the live server, and we can actually install it. On the other hand, we have this one also, so you can actually go with this one also, okay? Now what I need is we need to actually click here, go live. Now let's check how it's look like. And here we go, we have home, about, blog, contact, post, right? And now we have to create a css file. So here you can see, we can see post title and everything, right? Now we need to create a css files. Now here we have to go for the style.css, and here we are going to create the style sheet. Okay, so before that we have to actually link the style sheet here. You can see already linked here. Okay, so our file name is style and it's showing us styles, right? Here you can see, so we have to remove the s from here. You can actually mention class here if you create any class. So let's just create class for them. So we'll say here, let's create us of them for CSS styling where. Okay, so now we'll actually press tab. Here you can see given solver class. Now we have ended the section. Now hit tab and let's go. We don't need link here. We are going to say here style, hit enter. Now it will actually suggesting us that what do we actually want from here. So we'll press tab here, and here you can see it create all of them. So after that we don't need anything here. Now what we can do is we can actually select all of them from here, and then we can actually copy, cut them from here. All right, and we can remove the style sheet also. We can add link and add this style.css. okay, now here we are going to comment out something. Here we are going to say that index.html css style, okay? Styles style sheet. Okay, now after that we will actually add the more. Here we will press tab. Fine. Okay, before that, before we are going to add anything here, you just save it and let's just check how it's look like. And now here you can see we have a text here, so let's remove this at first. So we'll go there and we'll actually remove it, or maybe we can actually comment out here. Okay, that's it. Now let's go, and here you can see we have a nice home and a blog, right? Everything, and then you have all the post with the title also, and we have a nice footer also, right? And which look more beautiful, I think. Yeah. Now if you want to work with your footer, you go to the new line and it will actually suggest you. So press tab, and after that go to the new line, and then it will actually suggest you, and press tab. Now you can actually add media query to actually make it responsive also, and done. Now if we go here, and here if we refresh here, maybe everything will be updated. Here you can see we have to check that if it is responsive or not. Here you can see currently it's responsive, right? Because we have added media query also through AI. All right. Yeah. Now we have about, then blog, then contact, then post. So let's create all of them. So we are going to go to the about section. Now let's create about section. Now let's create about.html with the same structure. Okay. So we are going to actually hit enter here. Body, hit press tab. Once again press tab. Now let's check about section is what or not, and here you can see it's working, right? And we have extra text here, so maybe we can actually comment out this text. So let's comment out this text. Select all of them, okay, and press Ctrl and slash. Okay, then it will actually comment out everything. Okay, and now here you can see it's working. Now we have to actually go for the contact also, and then you have to go for post, and you have to actually do it. So I'm not going to do this because it will actually take too much time and the video will be very long. But initially our home and about button is actually working, right? Here you can see home and about section is working. Okay guys, and here you can see when I hover on it, you can see all the links also, so it's working perfectly. What you have to do, you have to actually add one more page for the post, single post. Which post will be clicked, then that post will be actually shown in the post page. Okay, so you have to actually add it. So it's your task, and I have shown you only 2 pages. So through Tabnine you can actually create it easily, create any blog website easily. It will actually suggest you, and what you have to do, you just have to press tab if you want to complete the suggestion. Okay, that's it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like, and thank you so much for watching this video.